Hey guys, I'm Jeremy with Christian Fabrication here in West Winfield, New York. We're here today to show you a little bit about the new Graco ProConnect. It's been out for a few weeks, so we've got some good feedback and we'd like to share it with you. So the new ProConnect gun came out a few weeks ago. It's very similar to the air purge that everyone's known and loved for many years. It comes as a complete gun, you can order it, or you can order it as a retrofit kit. So you can retrofit your old existing AP handle with the new ProConnect front end. So this new ProConnect gun was designed for a few different reasons to upgrade. Number one, you have less parts to stock. Number two, it's a quicker, faster rebuild, less labor. And three, it's a perfect rebuild each time. It eliminates user error of rebuilding a gun and just makes it easier overall on the sprayer and more profitability. I'm going to start by, we'll disassemble this gun. We'll go over the features, the new upgrades. There's a few things that look the same but are different in this gun. So we're going to start taking off the air cap. This is a same design but new material. This is a stainless steel which replaces the previously made aluminum. So this is going to be a little bit tougher. It's going to last a little bit longer, up to scraping foam off your air cap. Next is the retaining ring. Similar design as on the AP gun, slightly different to accommodate the cartridge. Same Teflon O-ring in the front there, threads on the same way. And that gets us into the main feature of this gun is the cartridge, which eliminates the side seals, many of the different O-rings and springs into one disposable cartridge. So there's three ways to take the cartridge out. Number one, you can pull it out by hand, which it is quite tough to do because of the tight tolerance, allowing for the perfect rebuild each time. Number two, they've added a slot here. You can pry it with a screwdriver, make it a little bit easier. Or number three, if you're still struggling to get it out, they've added this feature, screw in the back. Simply insert it into the front and it jacks the cartridge out smoothly. So I want to go over a few of the new features of the ProConnect cartridge itself. It has crossover containment, so the A and B ports, including the air port, all have a check ball in them. So if there is a crossover in the gun, it's contained with this cartridge. So when you do replace the cartridge, put a new one on, it doesn't go back into the handle itself. If you look on the inside of the cartridge, there's an alignment pin. It meets up with the new style mixing chamber, so we can only put the mixing chamber in one way. Also, the side seals on the inside of it are the same design as the Fusion AP, but they've been permanently included with this cartridge, so you have a perfect rebuild each time. The next new feature of the ProConnect gun is a new style mixing chamber. It's a two-part design, but it's a one-part number when ordered. The front half of this mixing chamber is a hardened Chrome X coating. It's 10 times the wear resistance of your standard mixing chamber. The reason behind that is to eliminate the need for sanding the mixing chamber during rebuilds. So when you take that cartridge off, pop a new one on, you've still got a perfect mating surface for that new cartridge. The back half is a little bit softer steel. Some people in the past have had issues with ears breaking off the mixing chamber, and they've hopefully eliminated that issue with that softer steel. This mixing chamber will fit on your current AP gun with a handle that's in good condition. We can get the retrofit kit to upgrade your Fusion AP to the ProConnect gun. I'll show you what comes with that retrofit kit. You open up your box here. You've got your diagnostic chart to help you diagnose any issues you may have with the cartridge to determine if that's still in good condition or not. You've got your manuals here, paperwork. The kit comes with the complete fluid section of the gun. See that there? Comes with the new style stainless steel air cap, 3 ProConnect cartridges. Comes with a jacking screw and holder, which retrofits into the handle of your AP gun. Divider to help with your diagnosing of your issues of your cartridge. Comes with the new style mixing chamber of your choice and grease. So there's two reasons why you would want to replace your ProConnect cartridge. Number one, if the side seals are scratched and there's fluid leaking out, you'll notice that with the air on and your fluid on. Number two would be if there's a crossover or a blockage in your ProConnect cartridge. So with each new gun and retrofit kit comes a test kit to test for a blockage. I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. We have a simple divider here, separates the A and the B chemicals, so when you pump grease through this, they don't combine. You simply place the extended grease fitting over to one side, pump grease through it. If you see grease come through the middle, that side's good to go. Repeat the process on the other side. If grease goes through both sides and there's no blockage, then your gun is good to go, your issue's elsewhere. This new gun's been out for a few weeks. We've had quite a few contractors using them. We've got some real good feedback on it. We've got one contractor, I think it's been in use for about 3 weeks or so. He's gone through 37 sets of foam, closed cell foam, all interior insulation work, still on his first cartridge. So it's lasting incredibly long, past what was expected. So his downtime is almost zero. If he needs to clean his impingement ports, it takes him less than 3 minutes, and he's back up and spraying again. The gun reassembly is pretty simple. Just like the AP, and you're good to go. So once you've got your ProConnect gun and it's time for cartridges, you can order them two different ways. They can come in a 5-pack, or you can order the cartridges individually. The 5-pack comes with your diagnostic chart to see if the cartridge is blocked or if there's an issue with it. This is the 5-pack, comes with 5 cartridges, comes with your little divider for your blockage diagnostics, as well as grease fitting and an extra jacking screw in case you do lose it. So if you need to order cartridges or you're ready for a new PC gun retrofit kit, you can visit our website, give us a call, stop down here at Christian Fab. We'd be happy to help you out.